Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus 2 Bluetooth speaker as a speakerphone. You ready? The first thing you're going to want to do is pair your phone with your speaker. To do that, power your speaker on, then on your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, switch it on, and look for Bose Revolve Plus 2 SoundLink. Click that in the device list, and once paired, you'll hear Connected to and the name of your mobile device. The Bluetooth light will also glow solid white. When you're jamming out to music and a call comes in, the music will pause and the call will ring through the speaker. To answer, press this multifunction button and then talk into the speaker itself to conduct your call. When the call ends, your music will start right back up again. You can also use voice control to make calls or send texts. It's as easy as that. I'll see you next time.